every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. In just a few hours, he managed to turn his trip to Mexico into an embarrassing international incident. He even got into a Twitter war with the president of Mexico. And then he delivered his most hate-filled, hardline speech yet, doubling down on his absurd plans to send a deportation force to round up 16 million people to deport them. Now, you can't make this stuff up, can you? Donald Trump does not have the temperament to be our commander-in-chief. Imagine him in a real crisis. I've said it before and I believe it. A man you can bait with a tweet cannot be trusted with nuclear weapons.